Pay attention. This is the Elemotion Brand packaging machine, model YD8102431, about to deliver to Thailand. What mission is it carry this time? Thai-style pork balls are rich in flavor, offering a unique taste of authentic Thai cuisine.
For this project, the Thai client has chosen Elemotion's large bag premade pouch vacuum packaging machine. It enables fully automated packaging of bulk pork balls with a maximum pouch width of 240 mm and length of 310 mm. Equipped with a multi-head weigher which has intelligent weighing system, it ensures fast speed and keep good accuracy. Compatible with various feeding systems, it can automate packaging for whole chicken stocks, chopped pickled vegetables, hopper-based mixes, large format boiled eggs, Sichuan peppercorns, and other bulk products.